the oath of office. Tabloids Organization in the Philippines Sports League.
I state your name.
I, Henry William,
Having been duly elected to the position of
Secretary, the Tabloids Organization Philippines Sports League staff, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully and diligently perform all the duties and responsibilities pertaining to my position of the oath of office in the guidance of this organization, promote the official objectives, and work for the benefit of members at all times. I will lead by example, observe fairness, professionalism, and integrity in all my dealings, protect the freedom of the press, and ethical standards of journalism. I take this obligation freely without mental reservation or verbal obligation, and I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability to help me God.
Congratulations!
Thank you po.
Congratulations po. Congratulations.
Thank you.